Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on your device. At first you need to pinch out on your home screen like this and tap Wallpaper and Style. Here, as you can see, we have this wallpaper and we can tap Color and select the color that we maybe have gradient or something like that, or static color. Here we can tap Per Image and select our image from our gallery, or select ones from official website from official HONOR distribution, and we can select if we want to have our wallpaper blurred or not, or of course disable completely blur. And if you are done, just tap done here, and that's it. Goodbye.